Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimathy TV. In this video, I have a really cool one for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at Andobil's ring holder. Down here it says convenient disassembly and assembly, and on the back we can see some more about the product. But let's go ahead and crack it open and see what it's all about. We'll get Senior Stabby out here and give it a little cut. We could just peel this right off. There we go. And here is what we are presented with, looking very nice. Let's go ahead and figure out how to open this. I think we slide it. There we go. Andobil. And we can open it this way, and there it is, the ring holder itself, as well as a little thank you card and an instruction manual, which hopefully we don't need. We have cleaning wipes. Oh man, there's actually a lot of goodies in here. Looks like we've got, okay, got it. So this is basically what you would use, I think, if you don't have an iPhone 13 or 12. So if you don't have MagSafe, you're gonna need to use this within a case. And it also gives you the tool to line it up, which is awesome. So it gives you pretty much everything you need if you don't have one of the newer iPhones, but we do, so we can set this off to the side. Taking a quick look at the booklet here. Right here it says operating instructions. If you have an iPhone 12, 13, or newer version, which obviously iPhone 14, you just place it on the back, and you can even use a magnetic MagSafe case right there. So yeah, if you lost your manual, here's a little bit about it. Let's go ahead and get going and see how it works on my iPhone 13 Pro. So let's first take it out of its little bag here. Here is that ring holder. Nice black with a darkened metal finish. On the back here, that even has carbon fiber, which is interesting because I don't think anyone would ever really see that, but they put attention to detail right there. This can pop out like so. Got a pretty good hinge on that. And on the back here, this is a soft touch material. And yeah, overall, it looks pretty nice. You can see it's got some size to it, but it's not huge. It's not gonna be too bulky, especially because you can see how thin it is, which is something that I definitely value. I don't like bulky things on my phone. So let's grab the iPhone 13 Pro here and stick it right on, and there it goes, snaps into place. And because it's so low profile, it's actually not very movable. It sticks on there very well. You can see the Apple logo. Yeah, okay, so let's try it out. Let's open it up, and there we go. We can even swivel it, so if maybe that's not the ideal position for what you're doing, maybe this is, maybe it's not. Let's give it the force test. Let's see how much force it takes to take it off. Oh man, that was actually a lot more than I was expecting. Now, when you do start pulling on it like that, it does kind of hurt your finger, so definitely would not recommend putting too much pressure on this, simply because you're gonna hurt your finger, because this magnet is no joke. This is a very strong magnet, which is great, and that's exactly what you want for something like this. I think the best part of this is just the fact that you can take it off. If I push it to the side there, it's a very secure magnet, but you can just take it off at any given moment if you don't need it, or if, let's just say, someone else needs it more than you can hand it off to them, be that cool friend. But for all intents and purposes, I mean, you're gonna be keeping it probably on your phone at all times. If you have a case, obviously use the included products to stick it to the case and, you know, get it all lined up. But if you just have an iPhone 13 or an iPhone 12, just stick it on the back and you are pretty much good to go. Now, I believe this can also be used as a kickstand, and yes, it can, just like that. Let's see if it can be used vertically. Yes, it can. Wow, that is crazy. It's kind of at a steep angle, but you definitely could use this as a kickstand for vertical or horizontal viewing. That's really cool. I can definitely see this getting a little uncomfortable after a long period of time because it is metal, but that goes for any metal ring. So that's not just from this Andobil one here. I think the implementation of this one is great. I think it looks good. I like the fact that it's so thin and low profile. It looks good. For the market that this is made for, this is going to sell very well, I think. And especially the fact that if you have the Pro Max version, you're definitely gonna want something like this, because I hate the Pro Max iPhone because it's so big. A lot of people drop their Pro Maxes just because they're so unwieldy, they're so wide. So something like this can definitely help as you're using the phone. So right now I've got this set up very, very comfortably. It's kind of off to the side. In between my fingers, I can totally access my phone right here. If I unlock it, there we go. So yeah, everything's working great here. So if I'm walking around and I accidentally slip or something, I can totally let go of the phone and it's not gonna go anywhere, which is kind of nice to have that extra layer of security, knowing that, hey, if you're caseless like I am, and you accidentally slip and fall, or your phone just slips out of your hands, it's not gonna go flying. It's caught on your finger, which is nice, especially when you don't want to damage such an expensive phone. Another really cool thing you can use the Andobil Ringfly with is with these metal plates that were included in the package. So what you could do with this is you can stick this onto any surface. As you can see, this is really sticky. So stick it on a wall, stick it on whatever you'd like. And this is magnetic on this side as well. So in theory, you could set your phone up like this, stick it onto the wall or something, and you're good to go. You have a magnetic phone holder as well, which can go pretty much anywhere. I mean, anything that's magnetic, you can stick it on your fridge. If it's not magnetic, like I said, you can use this little plate and put it wherever you want. But I think that's something that's really cool about this product and makes it stand out from the others. The price is a little high on this one right now, so hopefully it'll go down a little in the future, but I really do like this feature where it's got that dual magnetic functionality where it sticks to your phone, and then this can stick to pretty much anything that's magnetic. That's just another cool feature of this product. I would definitely recommend this one simply because the fact it's so thin, the magnets are super strong, and if you're looking for something to keep your phone a little bit safer, make it a little easier for selfies, this is something that you might want to look into. Check it out, guys. I will have it linked down below in the description. If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.